So it was just incredible. Nothing like that ever happened. And during the session, my dead relatives, they were putting their hands over me as if they were doing the Reiki session along with Carlos and Rosie.
Yesterday, you went to this special event we did yesterday with Rosie Reiki at the beach.
Yes.
And you mentioned something that to me is so meaningful. You mentioned that you participate in my group Distance Healing Smart Tuesdays and Thursdays, a video that I do online. You participate and you mentioned that it was difficult to concentrate. Let's take it from there.
Yes, usually I always have trouble concentrating. Lately I feel like my brain is just like keep going, overthinking, and I can't like relax and go into like a deep meditation. And during yesterday's group healing session, I was able to fall into like that state of just peace and calm right away.
Right away?
Yes. Yes.
And tell us the experience that you had there at the beach.
On yesterday's experience, it was really amazing. I never had anything like this happen. And I've already had about, let's say, 7 Reiki sessions before then. And with this one, I felt like it was more intense with both you and Rosie, like doing it together. I was able to fall into that peaceful state, and I was able to concentrate quicker. And also, even though I was in the group during the session, I felt like I was having my own experience by myself. So during the session, I was in a white space. Nobody else was there, just me, and I was in a blue bubble. And then I had a strange experience. I had my grandma that passed away many years ago, and an uncle that also passed away, and an old pet I used to have. Her, it was a dog. Her name was Ladybird. All 3 of them appeared, and they told me that they were there to help me heal. So it was just incredible. Nothing like that ever happened. And during the session, my dead relatives, they were putting their hands over me as if they were doing the Reiki session along with Carlos and Rosie. And they told me that I could do this if I wanted to, learn how to do Reiki and help myself heal. And when they told me that, I started feeling like a tingling sensation in my hands, and I started feeling like my fingers spreading out and elevating, like both hands were elevating. I couldn't feel like the floor anymore. They felt like they were up. And it was just an amazing experience overall. During the session, I also had my grandma, that was there. I had a conversation with her. I told her that I always wanted to have grandparents. I grew up here in the United States. I was born here, and all my grandparents lived in Mexico. So I didn't get a chance to have that experience, like growing up with grandparents. And they all pretty much passed away when I was very young, so I didn't get to visit them often. And during the session, I remember telling her that I really wish, I got to experience more time with her to have grandparents. And all she said was just like, I know. So it was kind of really emotional during that time. It was just an amazing experience, and the whole time, they were there until the very end.
The meaningful experience is also that you know that they are always helping you.
Yes.
Somebody else told you that.
Oh yes, they were like my angels, but they're there.
How did you feel after the...
Oh, I felt great. I really wanted to do this session because I was going through some emotional, like heartbreak, things like that. And afterwards, I feel really great. Like, I felt like the depression was going away. I felt like I could do this. I could handle this. Like, I can move forward. Like, nothing's gonna like like stop me from, like enjoying my life. Like I can do so much better.
So was that enough of a healing for you?
Yes, I want to do more sessions, of course, and probably join one of your classes. Definitely.
That would be phenomenal. And would you like to come back to the Reiki at the beach?
Yes, I highly recommend it. It was one of the best experiences.